Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can delete your Atlassian account permanently and for good here on Trello really quickly. So drop a like and now let us dive into this right away. So head over to Trello.com, make sure that you're logged in with the associated user account. And all you need to do, guys, is click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage Account from the drop-down menu. That is going to redirect you to your Atlassian account as well as account settings. So here inside your account settings, make sure that you head over to this tab at the top, account preferences, and here below you will see, or at the bottom you will see that feature, delete your account. So click on that button if you're 100% sure to do this, because you can cancel the deletion within 14 days. However, guys, if you click on that button here, you'll be redirected to that page where Atlassian will ask you again if you're 100% sure to delete your account. Of course, I don't want to do this, but if you'd like to do that yourself and delete your user account, simply confirm by clicking on that button here. Right, bear in mind though that you will immediately lose access to your Atlassian account services for obvious reasons. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. So make sure you're 100% sure to do this. If you don't want to do this, simply click on the cancel here as I am doing right now. And that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. You got some real value from it, and I'll see you next time in our channel.